Hey guys, you're with JD, and welcome back to Fun with JD. And I can't do this video alone. Also, it's very, very cold in my room, so I'm gonna have a blanket wrapped around me. Hey Riley, wanna do a YouTube video with me?
Sure.
So I'm kind of surprising her with what we're doing. Hey Riley, go grab those over there.
Okay.
Thank you. Now you know what this video is, but they don't. 3, 2, 1. We're gonna be doing a slime video. So let's get to it. Okay. I'm gonna start with this one.
I'm gonna start
which
with
is
my own.
Riley's, and it's called Sun.
Yeah, I'm gonna start with my own too. It's Shimmer Party, and it's fluffy slime, and it is cool. It's gold glitter in it.
So does this one. Gold glitter, and
That's
it's
why it's
yellow.
called Sun, because I love the sun.
All right, I'm going for my monster
I'm going
slime.
for my other one that is called Ocean.
It's called Monster because it has a monster in it.
No, this is not how much slimes I have. I have way more slimes. All the rest that we're showing in this video are JD's, but I have way more slimes at home. We're having a sleepover, and I have actually 22 slimes, and 3 of them are here right now.
We're showing
So-
9 of my slimes. The rest of my slimes are over there. There's the other ones
Yeah,
over there.
I'll show you one.
No, you don't.
Wasn't
show
gonna.
them. All right, well, I'm gonna wait for her.
Okay, and this is neon slime.
And I don't know what I named this one. I don't really think I named it yet, so I'm gonna name it.
Blue raspberry.
No.
This is called Purple Grape, and it is a very small slime first. It's the smallest slime it looks like
Well, I
she
should
has.
probably open this while I think of a name.
Sticky, isn't it?
No, not really.
Really? Can I feel it? Ooh, wow.
It's really good at clicking. That gives me a great name for it. Blue Click.
Oh, yeah, that's a good name. I'm just playing with this.
All right, I'm gonna put it away now and move on to the next slime.
Oh, no.
Oh yes, one of my favorite. Oh no.
I'll do that last.
Yeah. Well, this is one of my favorite slimes. I'm so happy we got to this. This is Strawberry Crunch.
What is this?
That's Blueberry Crunch.
This is Blueberry Crunch. Okay.
This is like one of my favorite slimes ever. Well, at least it was until my friend ruined it by putting her purple slime in it. Putting some of her purple slime in it. It's still kind of good, but not as good as it was.
Who put purple slime in it?
Bryn.
What? Okay, well, I'm gonna get to the next slime if you can shut this for me. It's hard to shut.
Don't you dare scrub it.
I'm scrubbing it.
You remember what that one's called?
No, no, no. Oh, yeah, I remember.
Alright, this is Crazy Party, and if you could really see the slime, you would be able to see why it's called Crazy Party.
Yeah, this is blue cotton candy. Don't really know all her slime names, so that's why I was kind of thinking.
I remember this was like my favorite slime, and I'd always play with this one.
Yeah. If you're wondering why I'm always in her videos, it's just because we're BFFs.
We're always together.
Yeah. And if we're not together, we're FaceTiming. And yeah, we just had a sleepover. We're having
Alright,
so much
you
fun.
ready?
Yeah.
This is lazy slime.
This is
I forgot what I named that. Orange Punch.
Orange Punch.
You're really touching it?
Yeah, gotta touch it.
I would actually I pick it up so they can see it. This is my stretchiest slime ever.
Really?
Orange Punch. Oh, if I was really willing to, I would pick it up and I'd show you. Oh gosh, no.
Really?
I think I made it way too stretchy. Maddie was like, stop doing that. I'm like, but I want it to be super stretchy. And she's like, it's already stretchy enough. I'm like, no, it's not. Well, that was only 6 minutes long.
Oh wow, we did that.
We went by fast.
Yeah.
All right, bye.